documentaries, more questions, always more. Stay close, follow me. You right there. You. Stand right there. And the rest of you on this log.
Oh no. Why am I so tall?
That's how we did it, you know. One in the corner and one right in front of them. Just as you are now. We let him down the basement in pairs. Legend has it his eyes turned black as he killed the children one by one. Some even say the words she spoke weren't even human. He was under her control. She had him. These woods are known for their secrets. She's every leaf, every tree, every path under her command. You can walk for days and still find yourself in the same place. And that's when you begin to hear her. Bodies found mutilated. Old symbols carved into their face. Children running into the woods and never running back home. The story of a woman accused of witchcraft returned to taunt the old town of Blair. So you can change the name, but you can't change the past. You've made your decision to come here. Up, all of you. Stick to the path. Keep your heads down. Do as she says and don't you dare look her in the eye. Go.
Is it? Oh, Jesus.
I can't find my way! It's circles! There is a cab! Go that way! There is a cab somewhere! Don't look in the eye, don't look in the eye. Get out, let's go! Right there, right. Feel it!
It's fine. It's just fine. It's fine.
Get out!
Ah!
She's in my head!
Ah! I feel like something's going to happen. Oh, fuck, it did. Ah!
If I can't see her, she can't hurt me anymore, right? I just need to get this out. Please get this out, please. If I can't...
Oh, fucking hell! Oh! Oh, hello. I think something bad's going to be in here. Oh, fucking hell! Oh my God! They weren't nice. Oh man, that was good. I enjoyed that. Oh, good, excellent. I enjoyed that. Oh.